and it was indeed a very, very unfortunate incident. And after that, he used the term avoidable misunderstanding. But sir, here we disagree with you. You cannot say that was an avoidable incident. वो avoidable incident था ही नहीं. It was a pre-planned one. Otherwise, जो महारेजिमेंट वहाँ पे है, and they had targeted only the vehicles जो जहाँ पे media person बैठे हुए थे. Why? Because they may be thinking that अगर media person को रोक दिया जाएगा तो it can become an issue. तो यहाँ पे they may be thinking that they will do a trial कि ये trial करके यहाँ पे अगर they success, then they can move forward to their plan. If they are unable to succeed in this and the Maltese started reacting to this, then they had to control their plan. That is what I feel. ये बहुत हर्टिंग वाला मतलब जो insult कल हमने feel किया था as a Maltese, not only me, the whole Maltese communities, they had felt insulted yesterday. And one more thing, he said that normalcy जो आ रहा है, normalcy जो आने के लिए they were trying this सिरोई में जाने के लिए, सिरोई फेस्टिवल अटेंड करने के लिए जो सोचा है उन लोग ने इसके लिए they have done so many सुविधाएं सबको दिया. Tourism department have taken that transportation, they have done their job. If this is a security they are providing to the Maltese, if Maltese have to hide their identity and they have to attend to that festival, then I as a Maltese, I object that. I really don't want to attend those festivals where I have to hide my identity and I have to attend that festival is not important to me, but the insult they have given to us is very hurting and very disappointing to all the Maltese. This is all. Then yesterday the feeling was very mixed up. Then that महारेजिमेंट में किसने ये दिया होगा, किसने ये कहा होगा ऐसा सब करने के लिए? The feeling was very mixed and we were very tense. Then today morning, the IMAS, the women's wing of Manipur, they went and met the security advisor of Manipur. And from there, we come to know that it was a unanimous decision taken by with the presence of the governor. अगर ये governor और सबका मिला-जुला भगत है, तो why they are playing with the emotions of the Maltese? Manipur is not a playfield for all of you. Manipur is not a playfield. आप यहाँ पे खेलो मत, हमारी जिंदगी के साथ खेलो मत, हमारे emotions के साथ खेलो मत. ये आपका ना ये trial and error करने का जगह नहीं है. Manipur is not for a trial and error. The women from Manipur, they are trying to meet with the governor of Manipur today at 5 o'clock. Then some update will come after that. But in conclusion, what we feel is a conspiracy. ये एक बार ऐसे हुआ था. This March 11, 2025 में इसी साल में March 11 में one Muslim guy he took a auto up to Kangpokpi where the Kuki are residing there. वहाँ पे गए थे. वहाँ पे जाके उसकी ऑटो में ये लिखा हुआ था खुमन लंपा. This is the place which is in Imphal. तो वहाँ पे इन लोगों उस ऑटो ड्राइवर को रोका गया, उसको थ्रेटन किया गया और उसको क्वेश्चन आंसर करके उसका गाड़ी को थोड़ा सा तोड़फोड़ करके उसको वापस कर दिया था. But no one reacted the way we reacted yesterday because कल जो गाड़ी रोका गया था, it was not done by the Kukis, it was done by the Maha-regiment. तो क्यों किया गया? If it was done by the Kuki, then we can at least we could think ना कि हमारा disagreement की वजह से ये सब हुआ है. But the Kukis were not present at all at that time. It was done totally by the Maha-regiment. वहाँ से आके how dare they can come to the Manipur and how dare they can Manipur को hide करने के लिए कैसे बोल सकता है? That also in Manipur soil. That is unacceptable and we really disagree and we really like हम लोग बहुत hurt हुए. We feel quite insult. This act is not acceptable to all the Maltese. This is all what I can say for as of now, and I would like to pass